Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. The 2025 Citroen DS21 is a huge comeback for one of the most famous and groundbreaking vehicles ever made. In keeping with its illustrious forerunner, the new DS21 expertly combines traditional good looks with state-of-the-art technology to produce an exceptionally rare and appealing vehicle. Echoes of bygone eras by keeping true to the classic model's proportions and defining lines, the 2025 DS21 honors its remarkable history. Instantly identifiable features include the low roofline, the big, wraparound windows, and the distinctive Citroen chevron. New features, like more aerodynamic styling and modern LED headlights, give the updated vehicle a more contemporary look. An update on hydropneumatic suspension in the original DS21. The groundbreaking hydropneumatic suspension mechanism was a distinguishing feature. Maintaining this legacy, the 2025 model year incorporates an upgraded version of this technology, providing an unmatched level of comfort and ride quality. An exceptionally smooth and stable ride, along with outstanding handling and agility, are guaranteed by the self-leveling suspension, which automatically adjusts to road conditions. An exquisite decor, a sumptuous and painstakingly designed cabin awaits you inside the 2025 DS21. One gets the impression of being pampered when one uses luxurious materials like real wood and top-notch leather. Clean lines and an emphasis on the driver are hallmarks of the minimalist design. Several car functions, including the infotainment system, climate control, and others, are accessible through an enormous, high-resolution touchscreen display that takes up much of the mid-console space. Cutting-edge technology for 2025. The DS21 is all about cutting-edge electronics. There is an array of ADAS features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking that come as standard equipment. By projecting crucial driving data onto the windshield, a head-up display helps drivers concentrate and avoid distractions. Connectivity to mobile devices is a breeze with the infotainment system, which opens up a world of internet resources. Environment-friendly engines. In the 2025 DS21, Citroen showcases its dedication to sustainability. Both a plug-in hybrid and an all-electric version will be among the many available powertrains. An attractive combination of efficiency and environmental friendliness, the plug-in hybrid brings together the advantages of electric motors and gasoline engines. With the all-electric model, you may enjoy a long drive time and a world free of pollution. Handling and performance. The 2025 DS21 doesn't skimp on excitement behind the wheel, even though it's a premium vehicle. Both the aesthetics and the fun-to-drive nature of the vehicle are guaranteed by its accurate steering, sensitive suspension, and potent engine selections. You can feel assured and calm behind the wheel of the DS21 whether you're gliding along a twisty route or negotiating bustling city traffic. History and modernity intersect. An expression of purpose. The 2025 Citroen DS21 goes beyond being a mere vehicle. Citroen has expertly blended the timeless lines and cutting-edge engineering of the original DS21 with eco-friendly technology. The end product is an innovative car that will last for generations to come. Concerning security and technology, new safety features and cutting-edge technology will be standard on the DS21 in 2025. Expect to see adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, a suite of ADAS as standard equipment. Having a head-up display and a set of surround view cameras will make things even safer. Eco-friendly living with a touch of luxury. People anticipate the DS21 to mirror Citroen's dedication to sustainability, which the company has made clear. Sustainable materials, including organic fabrics and recycled plastics, will take center stage. There will be an effort to lessen the vehicle's influence on the environment during its manufacturing process as well. In summary, the 2025 Citroen DS21 is an audacious and daring undertaking that celebrates the legendary original while welcoming the cutting edge of automotive technology. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.